It's like trying to skateboard on a hand skate. I just want to break this thing. I know exactly what's gonna happen right now, and it's not gonna be pretty.
What's happening, Gabe?
All right, you guys, we're here today on my private NBA basketball court. So this is the 3-point line right here. The hoop is just so small that you can't see it. You know, you want to go for a layup, come over here, take a quick little step back and end up on the 3/4 court on the other side. But we're here today at, what is this store called, Dan?
Five Below.
Five Below? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I guess you're right. So we're here today at a store called Five Below. I've never seen this store in my life, but they have really cool sunglasses and they have really cool everything.
Pivot.
And apparently the point of this store is that everything is $5 and below. So from $1 to $5, you can find anything here. So it's like the Dollar Tree, but a little more expensive. The $5 tree, basically. So we were looking around the store, just thinking like, I wonder what kind of video we can make here. And then we're looking around, you know, messing with the little private basketball court. And then we're like, hey, look, there's helmets. And then we realize, oh, there's entire skateboards. So we're gonna buy like 8,000 of them. We're gonna take them to the Skateboard Hall of Fame, which is right down the street. And we're gonna go in there and play a game of Don't Break the $5 skateboard. Sounds fun.
This one.
And I like this little checkerboard one. And we'll get one of the food ones. I think we should probably get like an extra one just in case it actually does break.
Yeah.
Oh, because Doug will be there too. The Doug will be there, so we'll get an extra one for him. So they're only $5. Let me just get another one. Oh wait, this one's cool. The panda one? I don't have a panda one yet. You think that's enough?
Yeah.
All right, well, 5, 10, 15, $25 later. Oh my. Oh, this is why stores kick us out. Let's go buy these, and then we'll go to the Hall of Fame, and we'll see if we can skate these without breaking them. All right, well, I got my little bag of 5 skateboards. Well, that is just so loud. What are Freddie and Uzi doing?
I've gotten used to this now.
And now we just gotta wait for Doug, because I don't know where I am or what I'm doing with my life. But all I know is that if someone came up to me and they're like, what you got in there? And I said 5 skateboards, they probably wouldn't believe me. And then I would dump the bag out and show them and be like, haha, fooled you. I guarantee you, I'm breaking one of these things. All right, we're on a mission to find Doug.
We just left the other 2.
I don't care, they can walk. Is that him?
Hey, it's Doug!
Doug! Doug! Doug! Where have you been? Doug!
What's up?
Hi.
My hands are...
Get free. There you go.
All right, let's get it. We're late.
We're late?
Dude, this is sick. Look at all the history here, Dan.
Too much history for
So
me.
much history. This is old stuff, right? But tell me, with You Make It, We Skate It, skate everything, tell me Aaron didn't just recreate old things.
Yeah.
Why didn't we ever do a double ply 2x4 board? There's so much stuff I want to skate and film videos with. Let me do a manual and then we'll start this mini board video. Now I have presents for everyone. Nigel, this is for you. Go ahead and unwrap that.
Where's the other one?
What other one?
There's another one.
There's another one?
Is there another burger one?
I don't know.
This one's the cursed one.
Hey Uzi, here you go, Dan.
Thank you.
And this one's mine. And this one is Fetty's.
That's
But
the extra one.
it's just an extra one, just in case. But we can say it's Fetty's because we miss him.
I'm right here, brother.
I still miss you, Fetty. It's literally the hardest thing to unwrap ever. It says, warning, read carefully before using. This product is only intended for an age range of 5 to 12. Doug, I think you're out, buddy.
I'm a little over that.
This product is not intended for use by adults. Well, none of us are adults. This product can break if used improperly. This is Don't Break the $5 skateboards.
Stop skating it! Uzi!
All right, so we're all ready. It took like 8,000 hours to get the boards unwrapped, but we're ready to play this full part game of Do Not Break the $5 skateboards. Doug, I just want to say, I'm glad to have you here.
I'm happy to be here.
Even though you live here. More like I'm glad to be here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm glad.
Rochambeau.
Enjoy, brother.
Rochambeau.
Oh,
Doug just won. Wow.
Told you I've never lost the game.
All right, well, I'm not last. That's a win.
What's that?
And you got to keep track of score, my friend.
I'll try my best.
Oh, dude, these are comfortable. This is like my first
Doug
skateboard.
is up.
I started downhill or what?
See, Doug has had experience on these.
The drop in is...
No.
That's right. Judge Fetty in
Judge
the
it.
house, not Gabe.
I said no. Bad. Not good.
All right, Dan, go ahead.
Oh, here. I already got the judging on this one.
Yeah.
Not good.
El Toro, brother.
That was a good move.
Oh.
So this is the exact same trick, ref.
Higher up.
All right, next off that.
What did you hit?
Hit the crack.
Redemption.
How did he even know that was back there? Oh my gosh. I mean, it does perfectly fit, but I know exactly what's gonna happen right now, and it's not gonna be pretty. This board is so small, I can't even maul grab it. My hand is too wide for it.
I don't think that's a problem.
I didn't pop. I didn't pop.
Ref's not.
Excuse me, ref. We got a new ref. You're the ref.
The most impressive thing I've seen from Uzi in a while. All right, here's what I'm gonna do. Kick turn. This I have no words.
Drop in.
There's no way.
Hurt my spine.
Bro, are you serious?
I'm gonna tell you, this is the key. This is scary, but once you get on, actually level it.
No! I ain't doing this. You know why? I can't break my hands because I'm the filmer most of the time. So I have to preserve my hands.
You can do it.
I'll fake you on that side.
Rock the fakie.
It's like trying to skateboard on a hand skate. That's good.
I'm doing the Gabe hands right now.
Yeah, but your thumbs are normal. Censor that. You know, this just isn't my game, man. My feet are bigger than this board.
Nollie shove.
Just flat.
Yep. Oh no! I broke it! We're still good though. Where did it crack at?
I don't think it did. I think it was just.
No, this
It's
whole layer.
separated.
It's good.
Oh, I see what he's doing.
Oh my god!
Both of those tries nearly worst case scenarios.
My trick? I'm going to be in play for this one.
He made that look really easy. I do not think it's that easy. Dan, please be careful.
That's really hard.
Sorry, I'm probably not gonna land it.
Don't doubt yourself, Gabe.
Can someone push me? I don't want to fall again. Do I get more points if I go Mongo?
Yeah, you automatically lose the game.
Does everyone land?
Yeah. Look at how it's on there.
Are we gonna ollie onto it? You think it would snap?
I think so. I think it's
It doesn't lock on. The trucks are too small. It literally dug it into the plastic trucks.
You're on like a movement, brother. You gotta relax.
Who turns it?
What you doing?
Try 3 shove.
I'm just saying,
Wow.
you guys are lucky I'm not playing.
Yeah, you got small feet.
Bet you would have landed a 720 double flip by now. Oh, it got so fast. I just want to break this thing.
You can do this, Nigel.
I know,
believe
but
in
I'm
you.
thinking, because I have to go in and then come in at an angle, and these things are like,
What are you trying to do? Oh, you're nuts. That's an ender trick.
I got so scared.
Look at all these guys are going for the tray flips. Do they not remember skateboarding made simple? It's all about the basics. Body!
Body! Front pop shove it. Oh, I tried to pop it. You did? I tried to. Oh, I broke it!
What's my trick?
Your turn.
Anything?
Anything you want, you're set.
It's time.
Ollie up.
All right, let me try to redeem myself. Wow.
Nope, landed it.
I'm gonna cry. That's tea for me.
I got a good trade. I'm battling it.
That was a 90.
That was.
Fakey, Dan.
Got another turn.
It's all about the basics, Dan. I'm gonna get him out with the fakey shove.
Check us out, Dan, for the people.
Oh my god.
Can't believe I got out on that.
This one's for Nigel.
Heel flips are really easy.
Heel flips are easy. Get out of here.
He's ending it. He's ending it.
You think you're over here about to end this game? Let's see if you can even end it.
I really don't want to do this right now.
Do it.
So it's just me and Nigel. Twisted turn of events.
Forward flip?
That was so sick.
Brother!
That was so sick.
Oh!
All right, Dan, it's because I was popping off the wrong end.
Shouts out, Andy Anderson. Tiger eyes. Tiger eyes. Tiger eyes.
Oh, why are you shaking my hand?
Game, Nigel. Betty, I swear to God.
I'm fine. Just a little flaky. Here you go. Hey, let me back you up. Hold on.
No.
There it is.
I got your back. Yeah! Dan, let me do the rail.
I need it. I want to.
Take us home, Dan.
For the heel flip?
Look at that. You popped that higher than my regular board.
Right.
This one's for you, Gabe. Yo! That was so good. All right, you guys, the $5 skateboards. You know, the only way they broke is if you literally break your ankle and hot pocketing trying to break one. Fetty. I already broke mine, you know. I didn't put as much force. My ankle really, really hurts now.
Keep one so we can.
Keep one, yeah.
This one's broken already.
Yeah, the nose.
See, it's broken.
All right, a big thanks to the Skateboarding Hall of Fame for letting us come out and film here today. It's a beautiful place. If you're in the Simi Valley area, definitely come check it out. The link will be in the description below. There's some videos right there. Go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And right now, I mean it, right now is your time to learn how to skateboard. So go to brailleskateboarding.com, get skateboarding made simple, and get on a skateboard. We'll see you guys next time.